Artificial intelligence has moved from specialized research labs into the creative and scientific tools of our everyday lives. From medicine and climate modeling to music and art, now these same technologies are entering our Virginia schools, sometimes invisibly through the software and platforms we use every day. In this module, we move beyond the headlines to address the essential question: how do we build classroom norms that foster judgment and responsibility in our students? This is about a judgment-first approach. AI is a powerful tool for pattern recognition, but it doesn't have independent understanding, human values, or accountability. You'll learn to identify critical risks like bias and hallucinations, and move toward AI-resilient tasks that require students to evaluate, cite, and challenge AI outputs. Our goal is to make thinking visible. By prioritizing professional judgment and student-centered values, we ensure that in the age of AI, the human element remains the most powerful force in the classroom. Welcome to Module 3. Let's lead with integrity.